Hey Ginny, I just came to Korea. Yay, welcome to Korea. What are you doing? I'm in a restaurant. I'm looking for the kimchi fried rice that you made for me last time, but I can find it. There isn't any picture on the menu and no explanation.
아, 김치 볶음밥.
Huh? Kimchi what?
Kimchi is kimchi. 볶음 means fried. And 밥 means rice.
Ah, so kimchi 볶음밥. Oh, I find it. Thank you. Do you have any similar experience when you go to Korean restaurant? Then welcome to my channel. There is no worry when there is a menu including pictures and detailed explanations. However, if there is only Korean words or Romanized Korean on the menu, you will be embarrassed. So today I will let you know the basic Korean word for the Korean food name. It will be useful when you order Korean food. Korean food name is very intuitive. You can guess it if you know about the name of ingredients and the way to cook. The first word is dwaeji. It means pig. When it's used as the name of food, it means pork. The popular dwaeji items include dwaeji and dwaeji 불고기. The second word is 소. It means beef and cow. Some examples of 소 is 소갈비, 소불고기, 소고기 덮밥, like that. The third word is 닭. It means chicken, like 닭갈비, 닭칼국수, 찜닭, like that. And we also use the word chicken from chicken as well when it's fried. The Korean fried chicken is very famous. The fourth one is haemul. If you have to avoid the meat, then remember this word. It means seafood. The popular haemul items include haemul 파전 and haemul tang. And the next one is 밥. It's very easy to find it on the menu. It means rice. Some examples, 비빔밥, 김밥, and 김치 볶음밥. Rice is the main food in Korea, so you can find this word very easily. There are two words for the noodles, guksu and myeon. Some examples, 잔치국수, 칼국수, 라면, 냉면. So if you are looking for the Korean noodles, then find these words. The next one is jjigae. It means stew. There are many varieties and is named according to their principal ingredients, such as 된장찌개, 김치찌개, 순두부찌개, and 고추장찌개. And jjigae is usually arrived at the table at a bubbling boil. Number 8 is bokkeum. It means stir-fried. It usually follows the ingredient name like 김치 볶음밥, 낙지 볶음, and 닭 볶음탕. And the next one is jjim. It's the word for cooking technique too. It refers to the dishes made by boiling or steaming in a sauce or soup. For example, 계란찜, 찜닭, and 갈비찜. I love jjim dishes. Those are very soft because it's cooked for a long time and very well seasoned. Number 10, guk, also known as tang. It means soup and it is one of the most basic components in Korean meal along with 밥, rice. Sometimes tang is less worry than guk. And tang is usually more expensive than guk because it's made with expensive ingredients. Not always though. The popular tang and guk items are 미역국, 된장국, 삼계탕, 갈비탕. And the last one is jeon. It is translated in English as Korean pancake, but I think it could cause some confusion because Korean pancake is not sweet at all. jeon refers to the type of the pan-fried ingredients soaked in the egg or a batter. 김치전 and 파전 are very famous. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video helps you when you go to Korean restaurant and order Korean food. If you have any question about it, leave me a comment below. And if you like this video, then what are you gonna do? Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.